All right, so we were processing some wood yesterday. It got a little dark. My bags were full, but you know, I'm a sucker for cleaning off the live deck. So we have some overflow here on the cleaner and the conveyor. So we're gonna send that up the hill and fill bags. So this is the big disc cleaner with the optional wheel kit on it. Just love watching that go around. So we had some overage here from the processor. This is the 30-foot conveyor. And yeah, I started putting some in the bag and thought, you know what? Might make a good video just for filling the firewood bags right off the conveyor. So these are the bag racks that we've made over the course of time. The new ones are down towards the end. These were the 2.0 version. So you don't have to be really nice with these. I mean, that's coming in from probably, about 10 feet up in the air, I'd say. We run a little bit faster. I'm just waiting for things to warm up. So we're at an idle here currently. The brute force conveyors are always a radius axle. They do have a speed control. They are a hydraulic top drive, and just makes life easy. So we do run all of the hydraulics here off of the processor. It's all kind of daisy chained together. We'll throw in a couple of pieces here. A bunch of new bags over there on the pallet still. So this is all of the hydraulics here that come around. It all kind of comes into the cleaner first and then goes over to conveyor. We do run the 18-foot fold over the top. This is on the big Logzilla machine. Did a new thing here with catching the firewood. You can kind of see it here, on the angle. Just I got tired of it blowing all across the wood lot. Just about a third of a cord on the conveyor itself. Pretty cool. Looks like that's about it. We'll burn through a couple more and just fill that up and put it to the storage pile with the rest of them. Actually, I stand corrected. I have what I need to fill the bag right here. This is where I put my umbrella. It's kind of jammed in there, but that's what that's all about. So we're gonna throttle this up a little bit. People have been asking about what wedge I run in this. So that is the 12-way wedge from Brute Force. Pretty awesome piece of equipment, if you ask me. The sweet spot's really about that 16 to 18 inch diameter. It really goes across it well. Anything bigger than like 18, 20, you've got a couple of resplits to do, but just kind of what we had come off the cleaner here, just the little bits and things, and then we'll manage to glean through the pile. This is where we get all of the stuff for wrapping up the kindling pieces. So again, I don't care, you know, if it's a paper thin piece, but as long as it's 16 inches in length, we'll wrap it. Yeah, everything up and away, and that pretty much topped off our 1/3 of a cord log lift firewood bag. So we'll pick this one up with the telehandler and put it back in storage. This is a fresh pallet of log lift firewood bags. We do have those still for sale, and on sale, I should say, over at the wood. Yeah, I'm at the wood lot. The bags are for sale online. So if I could talk today, that'd be fabulous. So the bags are for sale over on the website, which is shaverequipment.com, and we're still offering the sale price that we had from the Black Friday event. So click on over there. We'll put a little link here in the descriptions and get you over for that. And then as always, this is our awesome setup here at the woodlot. So if we can ever earn your business on a sales quote, or I can't talk today at all. A second cup of coffee is definitely needed for the afternoon. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote, would love to hear from you. It's a phone call is 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And hey, at least I got that right for the afternoon. So, all right, we're going to get back to processing, and just want to do a little quick video here as we're getting the day started. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.